Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to add test cases from Excel to Azure DevOps. So let's get started. So to do that, first I'm going to launch a browser and go to my Azure project. So this is my project. I go there, and for your case, you're going to have to log into your project first. And once you log in, you'll see your project name in this project tab. So click on your project name and then click on test plan tab and then find the test plan. So if you click on the back button, these are all my test plans. For this demo, I'm going to use my website test plan. So double click on the test plan, and on this test plan, I have a test suite, test suite right here. My website QA. Double click on it, and then you can see in my test suite I have only one test case, only one as of now. But I would like to add some test case I created in Excel sheet. So in this Excel sheet, I have three test scenarios or test cases. So let's say I want to import these test cases. I will highlight and copy the test case name, action, and expected results only. Do not copy the test case number or actual result or anything else. So I copied that and I'm going to go back to my test suite and then click on the drop down arrow right here and select add test cases using grid. So click on that. So this grid opens, right? So you're gonna have to do is you're gonna paste the copied test cases. So before you save it, you need to go over this, making sure everything looks okay, and then click on Save Test Cases button. Okay, good. It's saved. So you can close the grid and now go back to your test suite, and then you can see that there are four test cases right now. These three I just added. So just gonna make sure they are added correctly. Double click on one of the test case, and you can see the steps are here. But if you want to change the status to ready, you can do that too. Save and close is up to you. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.